The topic of today's video is how to use Webull Simulator. So here we are in the Webull mobile app and they call it paper trading. So what you want to do is go to the bottom right of the screen to menu. And here in menu, you'll see paper trade. And once you click in that, you'll immediately have a ton of funds that you can use for paper trading or practice trading or simulation trading. So none of this is real world money, but this is the perfect place to practice, and you can even use your experience here to apply for real options trading. And everything in here is going to operate just like the normal Webull would. So stocks and options, ETFs, all of those things. You can monitor real world statistics on stocks. Of course, any trade though is going to be paper traded. And that's pretty much all I wanted to show you for this video, guys. Do take the time to just experiment in here. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.